Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing find the highest altitude. So we're basically there's a biker going on a road trip. The road trip consists of n+1 points at different altitudes. The biker starts his trip on point 0 with altitude 0, and then basically we're given this array gain of length n, where every single element in here is the net gain in altitude between all the previous points. So basically, I feel like it's easier if we just look at this example. So given this, the altitudes, so like since the biker starts at point 0 with altitude 0, we start here with 0. And then for every single one, we just add this previous number to this number in gain. So like 0 plus -5, we get -5. -5 plus 1, we get -4. -4 plus 5, we get 1, and so on, so on, so on. So I feel like this is a classic prefix sum problem, so we can start by just initializing a prefix sum array. So, and the size will be gain dot length plus 1, and we do a plus 1 because we have an extra 0 in the beginning here that we need to account for. So, okay, and then we'll just want to set the first element to 0. And then, okay, now we can start building out this prefix sum array. So just do a loop. And then we'll start this at 1 because we already set the first one to 0. So we want to start at index 1, which would be like here. So okay, so here I'm doing so for every prefix, so like starting at 1, for example, we will want to add the element at the that we had in the previous index in prefix with the one in the previous index in gain, since these two have like an off by 1 for the indices. So then we would add this 0 to this -5 to get -5 here, and then same for the next one. So like here we would add this -5 to 1 to get -4, and so on. So now that we have our prefix sum array filled out, we will want to just search through this array to find the maximum value to get the net gain, the highest net gain in altitude. So we'll want a max variable, and we'll just loop through that prefix sum array again. And then we just check if each one is going to be greater than the max, and we just update the max as we go. So just like that. And then at the end, we just want to return the max. So let's see if that works. Okay, perfect. And then, okay, the time complexity is O of n. We have two separate loops here. This one, we are looping through the prefix array, we loop through the prefix array, and then we're looping through the prefix array again down here. So that's like 2n, basically, which simplifies down to n. And then the space complexity is also O of n because we initialized this prefix sum array of size n. So it's going to store n elements. So yeah, that's it for this problem. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you have requests for problems for me to do in the future. Thanks, bye.